Facing issues logging into WhatsApp? Don't worry, you're not the only one. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through some simple solutions to fix common WhatsApp login problems and help you get back into your account. But let's dive in. Before you follow anything, open Settings. Scroll down. Tap Developer option. Make sure to turn on the developer option on your device. Scroll down. Find out Wi-Fi scan throttling. Turn it on. Scroll down a little. Enable always mobile data on. Now restart your Android mobile and see what happens. If you still have issues, try out the following process to resolve it. Solution 1. Check WhatsApp server status. Open any browser. Go to Down Detector website. In the search bar, type WhatsApp. Tap on Search. Wait it out. If the server is down, you may need to wait until it's back online. Solution 2. Contact WhatsApp support. Open browser. Type WhatsApp support. Tap Contact WhatsApp. Tap Contact Us. Now give your number, what device you're using. Next, you will get a message box to write the issue. Enter the issue in the text box saying you are unable to access your account and hit Next. WhatsApp will contact you with a solution, and your issue will be resolved. If you still have any questions, feel free to ask. Thanks for watching.